Gold hits record high as Asian stocks plummet. Amid U.S. tariff shock, investors rushed to gold as a safe haven after U.S. President Donald Trump announced unexpected tariff hikes, sending shockwaves through global markets. On April 3rd, spot gold hit an all-time high of $3,169 per ounce, with analysts expecting the price to surge past $3,200 soon. The sudden spike came after President Trump revealed aggressive new tariffs, triggering widespread sell-offs in other asset classes. The countervailing import tax far exceeded expectations, causing the dollar to weaken and prompting investors to dump riskier assets, said Tai Wong, an independent precious metals trader. Under the new tariff policy, all imports to the U.S. will face a 10% duty, with major trade partners subject to even higher rates. China will see an additional 34% tariff, bringing the total to 54% during Trump's term, while the European Union faces a 20% increase and Vietnam a staggering 46%. The U.S. dollar weakened sharply in response, with the dollar index dropping 0.6% to 103 points. The offshore Chinese yuan fell to a 2-month low, while Japan's 10-year government bond yield saw its steepest drop in 8 months. Asian stock markets nosedived at the open. Japan's Nikkei 225 plunged 4% as the country braces for a 24% tariff hike. South Korea's Kospi tumbled 2.1% under a 25% tariff. Meanwhile, China's Shanghai Index and CSI 300 dipped 0.1%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index fell 1% markets. In Australia and New Zealand also reacted negatively, slipping 1.5% and 1% respectively, as both nations face a 10% tariff. In the U.S., Wall Street had closed before Trump's announcement, but futures trading signaled a steep drop. Dow Jones futures plunged 1,069 points, 2.5%, S&P 500 futures lost 3.6%, and NASDAQ 100 futures crashed 4.5%. Major multinational stocks took a hit in after-hours trading. Nike and Apple dropped 7%, while major retailers like Five Below Dollar Tree and Gap saw losses between 8.5% and 14%. Tech stocks were also battered, with Nvidia down 5% and Tesla losing 7%.